Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a beautiful crochet coaster that's both decorative and functional. It's perfect for your coffee table or to gift someone special. We'll use 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. This project is a great chance to practice double crochet increases and working in the round. If you're new here, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you won't miss future tutorials. Let's get started. For round 1, begin with a magic ring. Chain 2, then work 11 double crochets into the ring. Slip stitch to the top of the first stitch to close the round. Great job! A neat and tight center gives the piece a clean look. Tip: pull the starting yarn tail firmly to close the ring completely. Moving to round 2, chain 2. Work 2 double crochets and chain 1 in each stitch. Repeat this 12 times. Slip stitch to close. Nicely done. You're building the petal-like structure. Tip: keep your chain 1 space even to avoid puckering. For round 3, chain 2. Repeat the following pattern 12 times. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase, chain 1, skip 1 stitch. Then slip stitch to join. You're doing great. This gives the coaster an even wider shape. Tip: mark the skipped stitches to stay on track. In round 4, chain 2. Make 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet increase, chain 1, skip 1 stitch. Repeat this pattern 12 times, slip stitch to finish. It's looking better and better. Well done. Tip: use stitch markers every few repeats if you need help counting. For round 5, chain 2. Work 3 double crochets, 1 double crochet increase, chain 1, skip 1 stitch. Do this 12 times, join with a slip stitch. Beautiful progress. The coaster is really starting to bloom. Tip: relax your hands to keep the tension smooth. In round 6, chain 2. Work 4 double crochets, 1 double crochet increase, chain 1, skip 1 stitch. Repeat this 12 times. Slip stitch to close. You're doing fantastic. Each round adds more shape and flow. Tip: pause and flatten your work if it begins to curl. Round 7 begins with chain 2. Make 5 double crochets, 1 double crochet increase, chain 1, skip 1 stitch. Repeat this pattern 12 times and slip stitch to finish. Well done. This is your final solid round. Tip: consistent stitch height will keep the outer edge smooth. Change to a new color. Begin with chain 2, 1 double crochet, chain 3, 2 unfinished double crochets. Then chain 1, skip 3 stitches. Next, repeat. 2 unfinished double crochets, chain 3, 3 unfinished double crochets, chain 1, skip 3 stitches for 11 more times. Slip stitch to join. Lovely job. These open stitches give your coaster a nice decorative flair. Tip: for unfinished double crochets, wait to complete the final yarn over until all group stitches are made. Change to a different color. In each chain space, work the following: single crochet, chain 2, 6 double crochets, slip stitch into the first double crochet. Then make chain 3 single crochet, chain 3 single crochet, chain 3 single crochet, and finish with chain 2. Repeat this entire set 12 times. Slip stitch to close. Beautiful work. This creates a delicate lace edge. Tip: keep your chains loose so the final edge lays flat. And there you have it, your very own handmade crochet coaster. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more relaxing and creative crochet projects. See you next time.